Hi, in this lecture I will be discussing about the next engineering feature which is called as rib. Let me remind you that we have already discussed one of the type of rib which is called as profile rib. So let us have a quick review about it. Imagine we have a component which is quite similar to the geometry what you're seeing on the screen, and I want to create a supporting member which is connecting both of the surfaces. Clear? So in order to do that, I have to create a profile rib. For creating a rib, I need to create a line which is connecting both the surfaces. And simply press OK. And I can change the direction so that the rib is created. The rib in the geometry or in the model is acting as a support member. For this example, I have created the rib at the edge. We can create at any particular location. For example, we want it to be at the center. I have to create a plane over here and create the sketch on which I can create a rib. So in order to create a plane, I can simply click on the plane and create a new plane exactly in the center. So right now I'm just explaining, I'm not following any dimension. And I can click on the sketch, plane, and then the profile rib. Align my view to create a rib of any dimensions. So we have to ensure that we are connecting two surfaces, and we have to see that the direction of the rib is inside. So this is a way of creating a rib. Now let us discuss the procedure for creating the trajectory rib. In order to create the trajectory rib, firstly I will be deleting all the components what I've created right now and the plane as well. So I have created a geometry over here, a simple extruded geometry, and I have utilized the shell command and removed the top surface. So now you can see that it is hollow inside. And let us create a trajectory rib on this particular model. So for creating a trajectory rib, I will be showing you the procedure right now. We have to go to the rib, click on the drop down arrow, and we have the first option which is trajectory rib. I will click on it, and as soon as I clicked, I have certain options over here. For example, the width, the direction, and few settings over here. So need not worry about it. The next thing what we have to do is we have to select the placement. I can click on the placement and define, or else I can directly click on the surface where I would like to create a sketch. So remember one thing, either you're working with the trajectory rib or the profile rib. The main and important thing is to create a sketch. The sketch is a line which is connecting two surfaces. So right now I'm doing the same thing, as I have created the sketch for a profile rib wherein I've created connected two surfaces with a line. Right now I'm going to do the same thing but in a different fashion. So you can understand right now. So I've selected this top surface and click the sketch button. After which I'm aligning my view. And then I'm going to line. Let me change the view so that you can understand. So this is the geometry I have. I will be selecting the two edges, say from this particular point to the right side surface. You can see this line on the top. It is connecting two surfaces. So this will be the path of the rib which I am wanting to create right now. After this, I have to simply press OK, and you can see a rib is created which is connecting two surfaces. So this is the procedure for creating a trajectory rib. You can create a line or you can create an additional line. As of now, I've created a horizontal line. I can also create a vertical line as well. The location of the line depends on the problem we are working with. Sometimes we require the position of the line to be on the left side or the right side or at the center. Since I'm explaining you the procedure, I am placing it randomly at any specific location. So let me place it over here and press OK. Now you can see that there are two ribs connected which are intersecting each other. Let us discuss some other features in the rib command, and in order to complete this I have to press OK. So we have the trajectory rib ready with us. Let us move to the next video.